Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this origami bookmark. This is a 6-inch and this is an 8-inch. This is how it works. So this is to adjust it. So you can pull it out to increase to make it bigger and push it in to make it smaller. And you're just going to take this right here. You can just stick it in. Let's try the 6-inch like this. And it can also be a puppet if you take this out and if you stick your finger in here, and then it can be a puppet. Also, one more thing. I'll show you if you reverse fold it right here and you crease, it can be this a penguin. And if you go like this, it can be, and reverse fold this to make a nose right here, it can be a seal. Want to build it? Ready, set, let's go.
For this project, we will be using a 6-inch piece of paper, but if you want, you can use this 8-inch piece of paper. Let's get started. But I recommend the 8-inch, but today we'll be using the 6-inch. Let's get started.
Start off by turning it over and folding in half. And you're just going to crease well, like this. And then you're going to just open it back up. Crease on this line, turn it over and crease on the crease here. Again, open it back up. You want to make this really good. And now fold it down this way so it's all colored up. And now this is going to be like, if you've seen the origami super ring, you're going to fold this down right here to this crease right here and fold this up right here. But now, instead of opening this back up and folding it this way, you're just going to keep it right here and you're going to fold it over this way. Turn it over and fold it again. Crease well. And now you're just going to, you have this pocket right here. Open the color side pocket, not the white side pocket. And then just go to the color side pocket and you're going to pinch down and make this line good with that crease. Increase. Now you're just going to flip it over and you're going to crease it down here like this. And now you're just going to adjust. You can adjust it as much as you want. Here, the bookmark will be this big. And like it depends on which way you want the bookmark to be. So if you want it to be on this side, then you're going to do this back side like this. But if you want to be on this side, then you're going to make it go on this right down this way. So I would recommend, like, it depends on which side you want to put your bookmark on. So then you're just going to fold it right here and you're going to open this pocket up and just stick it in like this. And now I'm going to show you different kind of animals you can do. First, I'm going to show you how to use the bookmark. If you've seen at the beginning of the video, I told you already. But you're just going to open this pocket up and you're just going to stick it on like this. And now here's the animals you can do. Open it back up. And now you can open this pocket right here. Open this pocket. Push it down all the way. Push your finger down all the way. Crease right here. Crease right here. So I'll show you again. You're going to push it down right here. And now you've got this penguin. And you can also open this. To use it, you're going to open this pocket up. And you're just going to stick your finger in like this. So it's in here like this. For this seal. And for the penguin, you're just going to stick it in right here. Like this. And you're going to be like this. And now for the last one. Now you can also make it a cone. So turn it back into the bookmark. And you're going to fold this down. And you're going to just stick it in the pocket. Stick it into that pocket right there. And then you're just going to open that pocket up. And you're done.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.